Hi everyone and welcome back. So I brought my favorite YouTuber here today.
Hi.
So we are going to do a fragrance haul.
Ooh.
Checking out five
Fra.
five fragrances for women.
I love fra.
So I have five really great ones. And of course, for all you ladies out there, we need a man's perspective. And who is better to give us that than Roxanne
thank you.
Rebel? And the first one we are going to try is Viva La Juicy Pink Couture. And I do have one from this brand and I really like it. It's from Juicy Couture.
Yeah.
So this is my second one from them. Okay, listen to this. In the top we have watermelon, water lily, cassis and quince.
Ooh.
Then we have some strawberries. We have frangipani, jasmine, vanilla, praline, sandalwood, and driftwood.
So like a fruity floral.
Yeah.
And this bottle, look at this.
Yeah, it
kind
looks
of
good.
cute, loving the pink, but it's what's inside that's the most important.
It is.
I kind of like it.
Definitely a gourmandy one. You can really smell the praline. It's sweet. It's a bit woody, but mostly it's about the florals, the fruity notes.
So yeah, you are right. This is like a fruity, gourmandy, definitely super sweet kind of scent. I don't think it's too sweet, at least not to me, but I do know that...
But you do love sweet fragrances.
Yeah, I do.
Very sweet fragrances.
But I also think that there are a lot of women out there who usually do not enjoy sweet fragrances. They will definitely think that this one is too sweet. When it comes to likability, I do believe that this is a scent pretty much not every man, but a lot of men will enjoy on a woman. It has something sexy about it. I like this one.
Me too.
So I absolutely love what Jean Paul Gaultier is doing when it comes to fragrances. And Scandal, the original, is so damn good. Yeah. And this is Jean Paul Gaultier's Scandal Aparri.
Yeah.
And
I
please
think that's an okay pronunciation.
Yeah, please do rate my pronunciation. I think it was pretty good.
Okay, wait, we need to do a challenge. You pronounce the name and I do it and you vote for us in the comments.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jean Paul Gaultier. Gaultier. Scandal Aparri. That was good. That was good. You? Okay, let's hear it.
Jean Paul Gaultier. Scandal Aparri.
I want a proper rating here. Please do comment with which one of us had the best one.
No, comment with which one of us had the sexiest pronunciation.
Whoa. Okay, let's go to the notes. So this one is quite complicated. So we have pear, jasmine, and honey, and that's it.
Whoa.
So and I believe the original is quite. And I believe the original is quite sort of a minimalistic in the amount of notes it has, but I could be wrong.
I'm not going to ask you to help me because you always...
Yeah.
Things always end up on the floor when you open things like this, but I'm having a hard time with this. Oh.
Yeah, me and Jean Paul Gaultier packages do not go well together because I always open it up in a way that where the bottle just, goodbye. Oh yeah. I mean... There's something about honey in fragrances that I absolutely love, and there's something extremely attractive when honey is done in a really nice way.
Yeah.
And this is like Scandal. It has that honey. It's a bit different, but it's still sexy.
Yes. I would say that this is quite similar to the original, but I do pick up on something more fruity berry-like and probably the pear.
Yeah.
This is a really good one. I have almost emptied my bottle of the original one and this is not going to be around for long either.
And I've been nagging on you to sort of buy a new bottle of that one because I absolutely love that one. If you have not tried the original Scandal and if you enjoy sort of a sweet and sexy fragrances, then you really need to try that one and you really need to try this one. Was this like a limited edition or is it?
Oh my god,
you don't know.
Now no.
Okay.
Now you just, what do you say, put me on the...
Under the bus? I don't know.
Yeah, you threw me under the bus.
Under the table? I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Do you usually throw people under the table?
No, I don't.
No, that's a good thing. But I'm going to say it like this. If you do like Scandal, the original one, and you do like pear notes, get this one because the pear is crazy good.
I like this one a lot.
So the next one coming up is actually one that both you and I have tried quite recently. I think you have had a bottle before.
Yes.
Also. Tom Ford Black Orchid, and this is the EDT with the beautiful black bottle. So we do have some similar notes to the EDT or the original, but this is kind of stripped down.
Yeah.
So we have truffle, ylang ylang, blackcurrant, and bergamot. Then some black orchid, tuberose, and fruity notes. And patchouli, incense, sandalwood, vanilla, vetiver, and lotus. So we have some florals, we have some woody notes, we have that truffle and the fruity notes, and that beautiful incense.
And so I think you said it really well when we did this on my channel.
Yeah.
In that this one basically feels like a lighter version than the EDP.
Yeah.
So it has sort of the same character as the EDP, but it feels lighter, and there's a slight difference to the composition. But if you ever try the other one, then you will immediately recognize the scent. And this one to me has always been that crazy, magnificent, iconic blend of something sexy, something raw, something classy, something elegant, all at once.
Yes.
Enough said.
This is so good. And I actually do have the Eau de Parfum, and that one is so strong. So there are situations where I feel that I can't use it because it's too much. Maybe like a business meeting and I'm feeling like I want to smell like Black Orchid, but I don't want to smell too much. This is the one I will go to for that kind of occasions. This is definitely very similar to the original one, but it's softer, it's a bit creamier, and yeah, I will be using this
a bit easier to wear.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited about the next one, and this is Kayali Eden Juicy Apple 01. And oh my, please do open it up while I read the notes. So we have red apple, lychee, black currant, pink grapefruit, wild berries, raspberry bloom. Then we have jasmine, May rose, sugar, musk, vanilla, flower, moss, and amber. And I mean, come on, sugar, musk, vanilla, apple, the berries, give it to me. Open it up.
And I do want to mention that I have two other from Kayali. I have the Invite Only Amber, which is a tobacco fragrance, and I have Utopia Vanilla Cocoa, which is a summer creamy coconut and vanilla fragrance. Both are amazing. And I'm so happy that I now have my third one from Kayali, who really impressed me a lot.
This is like straight up apple and a fruit cocktail. Fruit and berry cocktail. You can almost feel those sort of red berries and everything in it. It smells really good in a really sort of a sweet and fruity way.
Yeah. Actually, this smells, you know those hard fruit candies? The one you really have to chew that is really hard. This smells like they taste, the good ones. It's wonderful. This is really, it's a candy-like apple fragrance.
Yeah, this is like the dream fragrance for someone who loves the scent of apple and who loves those sort of berries that I read up. If you enjoy that sort of a scent, then this is going to be something that you probably will love. I think it's a magnificent scent.
This is beautiful. And if you do enjoy the feeling of smelling like really good candy, this is perfect.
Oof, yes.
So we are going to end this fragrance haul by choosing one favorite each.
Ooh.
Yes.
So which one am I going to choose? This one is so hard. So I think I am going to choose these two. But before I choose between these two, I do want to say that I really enjoy the Juicy Couture. That one was...
Wait. Are you now...
Yeah, I'm going to do what I always do. I mentioned everything. And then Scandal is Scandal. I think the original Scandal is probably... Yeah, it's at the top when it comes to sexy fragrances for women. But I mean, this is like a fruity bomb, and it was amazing. But can it beat the epic, the iconic Black Orchid? Okay, here's the thing. I can barely choose. I don't want to say that anything is better than the iconic one. But currently, I actually enjoy this one more. So I'm going to go with this one.
Okay.
And disclaimer, because it feels like I betrayed Black Orchid. Sorry, I did not mean anything bad by it. This one is still an epic one, but I mean, it's summer, it's warm outside. I think I lean a bit more towards this juicy, fruity cocktail. So sorry.
So
rambling on. Which one?
If you would just let me in.
Yeah, you're gonna pick this one.
Now.
You're gonna pick. Yeah, watch. She's gonna pick this one.
So I'm going to do like this.
The same as me.
I can't abandon Tom Ford Black Orchid, but it's because it's a beautiful one. But right now, I'm most happy with this one. So I'm very pleased to have both. I really love them both. But right now, I'm mostly happy about getting this one because this is how I will smell this summer because it's lovely. That was it for this fragrance haul. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do head on over to Rotten Rebel's channel and subscribe to him too. Tons of great videos with fragrances for both men and women.
Smash that like and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.